BudgetSimple Budgeting App Review. Usage Experience. This is the BudgetSimple Budgeting App Review usage experience, and you can find the links to the app in the description below. BudgetSimple is a straightforward budgeting tool designed for users who want to take control of their finances by understanding exactly where their money is going. The app focuses heavily on zero-based budgeting, which means every dollar you earn gets assigned to a specific category, whether it's bills, savings, or discretionary spending. This makes BudgetSimple ideal for people looking to get out of debt, build savings, or simply break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. One of its main strengths is simplicity. The interface is clean and easy to use, focusing on income, expenses, and budgeting categories without unnecessary extras. You manually input your income and expenses, and the app calculates your available balance, ensuring you always know how much is left to spend in each category. It's great for budgeting beginners or anyone who wants full manual control over their financial data. Since BudgetSimple doesn't require linking bank accounts, it appeals to privacy-conscious users who prefer to keep their financial information offline. The app also includes basic reporting, showing where your money goes each month so you can adjust your spending habits over time. BudgetSimple is especially useful for individuals or families working toward financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a big purchase, or building an emergency fund. It's less suitable for advanced users who want real-time transaction syncing, investment tracking, or complex financial planning tools. However, its focus on simplicity and effective budgeting makes it a great choice for those overwhelmed by overly complicated personal finance apps. If you're looking for a budgeting app that sticks to the essentials, offers a clear and realistic view of your money, and helps you stay accountable to your financial goals, BudgetSimple delivers exactly that. Overall, it's a no-nonsense budgeting tool, perfect for your users who value simplicity, transparency, and hands-on money management. Check the description for download links and more details.